Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. If you are new to this channel, then press the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I create content about make money online, affiliate marketing as well as online business. So if you are just new to this channel, do press the subscribe button. So today I'm going to show you a method in which you can make money online easily just by uploading some of simple videos to YouTube, and everything will be done to you and you will be guided step by step. Everything will be shown to you how it can be done. Okay, so let's dive into the content. First of all, you just have to go to this YouTube and just type in a name here, that is Life, L-I-F-E, Life Unlimited. This is a channel name known as Life Unlimited. What you have to do is just go to this channel, okay, and just see what videos they are uploading here. Okay, now see, these are the videos which are related to Abraham Hicks, who is a motivational speaker. Okay, so what they are doing is they are just utilizing his audio in this video. Okay, once a minute, it's in just an ad. Okay, let's skip this ad. Okay, skipping ad. Okay, okay, so what they have done is they are using this background. Okay, for example, you can create this type of background using Canva, and what they have done is they have just put in the audio of Abraham Hicks in this video overall, and nothing else. What they have done is that's it. And what they are doing here is they are providing here affiliate links of Amazon. Okay, and they are making a commission if someone buys from this channel. Okay, from this links. And what they are doing is they are the only mistake they have done is they have given here Amazon links, and Amazon only pays a very few amount of commission, which is only 4 to 5% if you make a sale. Okay, so what you have to do is, if they have here pasted a ClickBank link, then they would get almost a 50% of commission on whatever products they are selling related to law of attraction. So what you have to do is you have to create this type of channel and create this type of videos utilizing audio of some of the famous motivational speakers. For example, in this, Abraham Hicks is the motivational speaker whose audio has been utilized. So now what we are going to do is we are going to see here is that, see, this is a Creative Commons attribution, means reuse is allowed. What you have to do is you just have to copy the link of this video. Okay, just click on the share and click this copy link. Okay, just remember that you have to use Creative Commons videos for this purpose. Okay, just go here. Okay, Life Unlimited, you can search this, or you can search Abraham Hicks. Go to here, filter options, and create and use Creative Commons. Okay, now whatever videos come in the Creative Commons section can be reused and re-uploaded in whatever way you want to reuse and re-upload them. Okay, so that's 100% possible. That's very easy to do. Okay, now once we have copied the link of this video, okay, we are going to download this video as an audio. Okay, now I'll be showing you a website from where you can download this video in the audio format. Okay, so first of all, we'll go to KineMaster. First we'll go to this website. This is Online Video Converter. Okay, you just have to paste your affiliate your YouTube video link over here and just select your format as an MP3, and you can just start convert and then download this video in the MP3 format. Okay, now what else you have to do is you just have to find out some of the stock videos. For example, you can go to YouTube and just find out some just you have to type here copyright free stock videos. Okay, you just have to type this keywords and you will find here some of the videos which are copyright free, and you can use them as you just have to use this videos. Okay, for example, this one You can see there are tons and tons of this type of stock videos over on YouTube which you can download. Okay, and after downloading this type of video, you just have to download this from here, this website which I have shown to you. You can download here, just click on the MP4 format and you can download videos over here as well as MP3 over here using this one website, online video converter. And you just have to download this stock videos and use those stock videos. Okay, now what you have to do is you just have to download this video and replace the audio of this video with the audio which you have downloaded of Abraham Hicks. Okay, now what you have to do is just download this software which is called Shotcut. This is the video editing software in which you can replace the audio of a particular video and just paste the audio of whatever you have downloaded, whoever the motivational speaker is, and you can use this software for free. Okay, and you can just do it. Definitely, that's very simple, that's very easy. And if you don't have a computer, then it's all right, you can use this software KineMaster. Okay, you can use two softwares, which is one is Shotcut and another is KineMaster. Both of them are available for free and you can just download them and start using them. If you don't know how to use this software, just go to YouTube and search out KineMaster tutorial or Shotcut tutorial and you will find everything how to edit videos on this software, and you can easily create this type of videos which are given here in the channel Life Unlimited and make money giving your affiliate links in the description. Okay, you just have to create this type of videos, okay, which I shown to you, and you just have to put your ClickBank affiliate links over here. Okay, if you want to put Amazon affiliate link, you can also do affiliate marketing with Amazon using this method, but I suggest you to put ClickBank links because ClickBank pays a huge commission as compared to Amazon. So you can definitely put your ClickBank links over here related to law of attraction, and you can make a significant amount of money with this because this is already a famous person, and whatever the famous person receives gets a great amount of view. Anything related to someone famous gets a good amount of views, and you can make your videos viral very easily using this simple strategy or simple method. Okay, this channel has just uploaded 21 videos and it has 13k subscribers. You can see this. Okay, so that's it. This is a simple method which you can utilize and make money out of it. And if you like my channel, then you can check out other videos on my channel in which you will get a ton of value related to how to make money online and you can learn it. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy and stay subscribed. Much more awesome content is coming up, so stay tuned with this channel.